Once again, we're Honda bound, Craftman bound. Um, you know anybody who's got any bottle of compression? No, just kidding. No, for sale anyway. No, she's pretty low on compression. That's actually a lot better than it just was. So we're at 125 now. So hell yeah, it's kind of a wet test too, but hey, kind of trying to cheat here to get some compression. But no, this is definitely a Troy-Bilt single cylinder riding mower. You just if you can try to avoid it, try to avoid it. Don't buy the single cylinder ones. Any kind of single cylinder rider. I mean, just try your best. Don't get on them. They have a high failure rate. I'm a Virgin Stratton man till the day I die. But these single cylinder intakes, I'm not a big fan of, but they're good anyways. But we'll have this one going in no time. Hell yeah, brothers.